Hey, welcome back to DataShack Academy. In this part of the course, let's talk about the various components of Kafka cluster. We'll start with talking about Kafka broker. A Kafka cluster consists of one or more servers, and these servers are called brokers. Okay. Each of the broker has an ID with which it will be identified. As you can see in this diagram, we have three brokers: broker 1, broker 2, broker 3. If you look at this diagram, you'll see that Kafka cluster is made up of three servers, and each of the server is called a broker. Now inside each of the broker, you can have one or more topics. Topics are basic units of data storage, and we will discuss that in the next lecture. For now, just understand this, that Kafka is made up of one or more servers, and each of these servers are called brokers, and within these servers or brokers, the data is stored in topics. Okay, so let's move on to the next lecture where we'll talk about Kafka topics.